Welcome back to the channel. In this video I explain the Palace Resort app review to see with what you're using. So to dive into it, the Palace Resort app is designed to help guests manage their stays at the Palace Resort properties. It offers features like mobile check-in, spa and restaurant reservation, daily activities schedules, resort map, and the ability to request room service directly from the phone, which is available on both iOS and Android. The app is user-friendly and provides a convenient way to plan and enjoy resort experience without needing to call the front desk. However, the app has received criticisms for glitches, including failed reservation, slow loading, and occasional crashes. Some users also report inaccurate booking confirmation or limited availability through the app. Additionally, concern around Palace Resort membership program and hidden fee add to customers' frustration beyond the app itself. In conclusion, the app worth it for convenience during your stay if the app is run smoothly, but not ideal if you expect flawless performance or totally reliability from the app. You rely totally on the app, and that's it. Hope you find the video helpful. If you did, turn on the notification button and subscribe for more reviews.